looking to do a career switch to something related to fintech, which is in demand currently. So in my opinion, the best ways to learn is the skill is from the professor in the fintech field. So I did some research and chanced upon this NUS FinTechSG course. I attended the preview session, which was good and informative. I feel that this course could really provide me a head start for a beginner like me. The key motivation for taking this course was the motivation of the traineeship that provided for me to practice of what I have learned. So during the course, so coming by, I will share on the fun and the challenges on some of these modules that I have learned. Okay. PC1, I think design thinking for the Grab projects. So our group have decided to develop a merchant's Grab app. So I could still remember, we went to interview some of the food vendor at the hawker centers. And it was not easy to talk to these auntie and uncles to get their stories. Most of the time, the reply that we received were they were not the store owner or they do not know anything. So we spent like almost 3/4 day just to complete the interview. Then after that, followed by a group discussion and we split the work. And I was actually responsible for developing the user application apps. So the time given was pretty tight. So I have to work really overnight to get the apps working while still doing the course concurrently. But overall, it was a good experience and good teamwork. And because it was really fun, and it was also a challenging experience where we start from scratch and deliver the Grab projects. Next, for PC2, right, we need to do front end and a back end development projects. So it was kind of, I was kind of enjoying it. It was really can relate with my past technical experience. For PC3, the DevOps project, it was kind of struggling at the beginning as I have no idea what to showcase. And we only have like 2.5 days to work on it. So I spent some time looking for ideas and test out the concept and build the projects and then writing the documentation. So I'm glad that I managed to complete it in time. For the algo trading, this is my weakest module simply because I have zero trading knowledge. But I was glad our group managed to complement each other's strengths and weaknesses and make the algo trading project works. So to add on, the various invited guests to share on their industry experience were awesome, and the professor were patient and understood that we all came from different backgrounds. So the extra consultation time indeed helpful to me. After the course, how I'm going to make use of what I've learned. So my takeaway from the course is first, people. So the network and the relationship that we have been built up, and we will continue to stay connected. Secondly, the knowledge and skill. So the overview and the key concept from the courses which will allow me to explore further in depth on the area of my interest. So with confidence, with the knowledge and skill, so it has built up my confidence on this career switch path. So now I'm doing a fintech traineeship. So moving forward, I hope to apply the DevOps principle and the AI knowledge that I have learned into the project that I will be working on.